Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kaylaharnae. Hey, hi. So you're probably like, what are you doing? I mean, you know what I'm doing because you clicked the video. But yes, honey, we got our wig cap on. Today is an exciting video. I'm so excited because I've never done a video like this before. Today we are doing a wig review, okay? Not just any wig, okay? This wig is from Amazon, okay? Amazon Prime, okay? Came in 2 days, okay? And the price, under $30. Like, can we get a... So this Amazon company reached out to me and was just like, you know, we would love to for you to try one of our wigs. This is not a paid video. It is sponsored, but I'm not getting paid to say anything. So they're all 100% my opinions, and you're gonna get my full... I literally like went to the mailbox today and got it out the mailbox. So we're in this together, okay? It did come with a wig cap, so as you can see, obviously it's not the same shade as my head, but you'll see. Okay, and another thing, I am not a wig guru, okay? I'm not a master wigger, okay? Now I do have about 3 wigs. They were each custom made. However, also, I don't do the glue, the frontals. It's just pop it on and off like a hat, honey. Like, get home from work, it's off, okay? So it is a long black wig like that. It's body wave. It is synthetic, okay? It is, did I tell you the price? The wig is priced at $22.99. So this wig is titled as a long black wavy wig for women. Body wave wig with middle part. Natural looking wavy synthetic heat resistant wig for daily party use. 28 inches. I took it out of the little net, you know, like how it comes in a hairnet or whatever. I've never had a synthetic wig, and I'm not about to like burn the hair the first time. Like, I don't know if it burns, but like the first time I'm using it or whatever. So I'm just gonna leave it in its natural state. It is a little tangly because it was, you know, in the package. So I'm just gonna put it on and then we will, you know, get started. It does have like a little closure right here. It's not a big closure at all. And however, this lace though, it's super invisible. You can't like really see it for real, which is cool. So it does come like all the way right here. Now I did my edges or whatever because this wig doesn't like it just, you see how it's made? You'll see what I'm trying to say when I put it on. But do I have lipstick on my teeth? It also has a band that you can use to like attach, and then it has combs in it also. Now I particularly, when I do, because all my wigs I'm pretty sure have combs in them, I don't use the comb frill. My wig that does have a band on it, it comes with combs too, but the band is, my head is small, okay? So as long as I have something to, I don't need nothing else. But it's nice that you get that option. It's also nice because if you don't need the combs, or if you do use the combs, you necessarily don't have to use the band and vice versa. And this is what the clasp looks like. So this is the kind of clasp that's on there. And I've already like clasped it together because I'm not gonna lie, I did like attempt to put it on and it flew right off because it was like too big or whatever. So I'm just gonna pop this baby on. So how I like to put on my wigs is I put it upside down and then I start from the back. That way when I put it up, like it's in the front. You know what I'm saying? You know how to put on a wig, right? No? See how I left my edges out? Because like, you know, if I didn't want it sitting all the way up on my forehead because then it'll look cray, you know? I'm actually really impressed as far as like a first impression for a synthetic, less than $30, less than $25 wig. Like, come on. Oh, after taxes and stuff, I do believe it is like 25, but I love this. Now, she is a little naughty, like I said, so this is perfect. This is perfect for like, and it's pretty flat also. And I just have my hair in like a low ponytail bun type thing, and then I put the cap over it. If you watched my last video, which was a vlog, then you would see that I said that I'm getting my hair done soon, but I rescheduled my appointment, so I still don't have my hair done. Okay, honey, we just did something. I'm like really excited. I would fix this a little bit, but I messed something up. Okay, anywho, but yeah, she's on there. But this is why I did my edges, because I wanted it back some, but you know what I'm saying, like you can't, it don't give you no room. I guess you can make baby hairs. I'm not into the whole I'm not a wig guru, okay? Just, I need it as simple as I can get it. So this is perfect for beginners. But like I was saying, this is perfect for like a day that like you don't feel like doing your hair, or just you just want to pop something on, like Halloween, whatever. No, because it is synthetic, I don't know if I would necessarily, well, first off, it's my birthday, but I don't think I would necessarily recommend it for like long-term use, just more so like as a hairstyle. And it already comes like in the way, oh yeah, we gotta, you know, she is silky and shiny or whatever. I've actually never had hair this long, 28 inches, but before I cut the lace, I'm just going to separate it, and I'm just gonna like comb some of the knots out. And I have a wide tooth comb. I didn't want to use my, oh honey, okay. I didn't want to use my brush, like my paddle brush, because I mean, I guess I could, but I didn't want to. Alright, you know, this isn't a $500 wig, so can't even be mad at the knots. But I'm just brushing the ends so that like we can, you know, put our fingers through it. But like I said, it was like balled up in the net. Of course you would brush it anyways, and it's really long. But you know how like the back pieces get knotty anyways? But it said heat resistant, so maybe you can put heat in it. Maybe I'll try that one day. See how I brushed it and like the curl was still there? So I'm just going through section by section and like starting at the ends to like comb out some of the knots. Ow, I like hit my hand. I'm probably gonna speed up through this part because I don't want to bore you. So just sit back and relax. Okay.
Just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly. Hit you a dream I won't deny. I'll show it now. Let's go for gold. Let's go for gold.
Okay. This is also perfect if like you wanna, if you have like a photo shoot, or if you wanna like, or if, like I said, if you're just going somewhere for the night and like you're in the mood for long hair. Like I love wigs, honestly. Like I'm honestly like wig over sew-in, and I used to get sew-ins all the time, but after a while it's like, or just, you know, after I've had it in for a month, I'm like, okay, I miss my hair. But it's like, you know, not that simple. Or it's just like with the wig, say if you are wearing a wig and then one day you want to do a cute ponytail, it's like you have that option. Whereas if you have a sew-in, no honey, you gotta, you know what I'm saying? Like it's just so, wigs are just fun. Okay.
Set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know.
It's sliding.
Never know felt like this before. I never
paddle brush would work better as getting the knots out. Okay. I need my brush. Okay. And, oh, see, that's so much better. Why didn't I do that from before? Okay. I actually recommend using a paddle brush like this to comb it, because that comb, bro, absolutely not. And like, if you're into like hair and stuff, you probably already knew that from when I first started combing it. But listen, guys, I'm working on it. Okay, so it's not taking away the shape. It's just the ends, because those were the ones that were like the ends were the part that were jumbled up in the packaging. But this brush is getting them out easily, and I could have saved 10 minutes. Okay, yes. Look at that. Gosh, what the fuck? There's something back here that's a knot. I see the knot. Okay. Phew. Go through this side. It's just the ends that need a little... Okay, the paddle brush. Okay. So I highly recommend, like I said, using your paddle brush to brush out the knots, because the wide tooth comb is not it's not a thing. Okay. It's really long. I'm like right under 5'2". So it comes all the way down to my butt, okay? It's really cute though. Like, it's cute. She's gonna get worn. I just wanna cut this lace. Okay, this is the part that tuck behind my ear. Obviously, like wearing this out, I would put a little foundation on the lace, like that's right here with this part, and plug out this part some because it's so tight, you know, just to make it look more natural. But I am gonna go and trim the lace, and I'm nervous. I don't want to mess this up. Like I said, I've had the wigs made for me, okay? They come already trimmed and okay. All right. Come on. Kayla, don't cut the hair. Okay. Guys. Hold on. Should I take it off before I mess something up? Yeah, let me take it off. Whew. Okay. So I can see what I'm doing. Oh, phew. She's off. Okay. Let me put this back on. Please don't get naughty again.
But I just wanna stop everything I'm doing. Stop 'cause I'm not okay.
That doesn't look bad.
Forever, I want you here with me. Oh, what a life, oh, what a life, oh, what a life I could.
Okay. Okay guys, so I actually just came back. I plucked it a little bit. I mean, it still can go for a good plucking. I just wanted, like, it was a little too for me, you know? But I mean, again, I'm not like a wig pro, so I can definitely pluck it some more or get someone else to pluck it for me. But all in all, I do, you know, for what it is, for $22.99 for a synthetic wig, I do recommend that it's worth it, especially if you just want to like go out for the day with it or take pictures or whatever. Like, it's a $22 synthetic wig. So yeah, I'm not mad at it. I definitely want to try out some more wigs. If you want me to try out some more wigs from Amazon, let me know. I'll definitely do that. If you want a video on how I I guess like style this, or like a what am I trying to say? If you want me to do like a heat test on it or anything like that, let me know. I'll be happy to. Yeah, I'm not mad at it. I definitely would put some curls in it just for it to stay. Like, I don't plan on brushing it out or anything, just keeping it in its hairstyle. So I definitely want to do that. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think. I will link the exact wig that I have right here down below. That way you can try it out for yourself. And definitely check out the reviews that other people had listed under their wig and see their pictures and videos. And let me know what you think. This was fun to do because it was so different than any other video that I normally do on my channel. But I'm mad at it, girl. I am mad at it. But yeah, okay, I freaking love y'all. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram, on TikTok, and all that stuff. Okay? Love you.